We have an update tonight on the bond set for a man accused of shooting a CMPD police officer. Toddrick McFadden is in jail tonight on a higher bond than what a magistrate previously set. And this comes after Police Chief Johnny Jennings released a video criticizing it for being too low. And so with this talk about bonds, it certainly set off a lot of questions. Our Verify team wanting to set the record straight tonight. So we are verifying how much leeway the law provides on bond levels.
Something's definitely wrong with the system, and I'm committed to put in the work to do everything that I can on my part to fix this.
That's Charlotte-Mecklenburg Police Chief Johnny Jennings addressing the bond of Toddrick McFadden, a man accused of shooting a CMPD officer in the leg. The chief saying he was unhappy with McFadden's initial bond, which a Mecklenburg County magistrate set. So let's verify. Can North Carolina magistrates go outside suggested limits when setting a defendant's bond? Our sources, Chris McCartan with McCartan Law in Concord and North Carolina Code. First, a quick vocabulary lesson. A magistrate is a judicial officer in a district court who performs duties in criminal and civil cases. A bond is otherwise known as a condition of release. Now, magistrates set bonds based on two main factors: how likely the defendant is to show up for court dates, and is the defendant a danger to society? North Carolina law says magistrates get the first crack at setting bond, and each district court in the state has different guidelines for how much a bond should be, depending on the charge. Offenses like shooting at a police officer might garner a bond in some district courts between $20,000 and $50,000. But magistrates can make their own decisions.
These are a decent place to start, considering the nature of this offense, considering the prior record level, things like that. No, a magistrate has broad discretion.
And there are checks and balances.
It is generally understood that within between 24 and 48 hours, they have to get in front of another judicial official, an actual elected official, a district court judge generally, to have that bond readdressed.
So we can verify, yes, North Carolina magistrates can go outside suggested limits when setting a defendant's bond. Have a question for our Verify team? We want to hear from you. Send us a claim at the address on your screen.